Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the issue no internet access but your device is connected. So you'll be getting this error in your Ethernet network, and I was also facing the same issue but I somehow resolved the issue. So let me show you a few steps that I did to make this issue work. So first thing is you must check if your wire is correctly connected to the modem. So you need to check two spots. One is the place where your wire connects the modem, and the second part is the place where your wire connects the CPU. So you need to check these two spots. This is the first step. And the second step is once you are done checking the network or the Ethernet cable connection, you need to try restarting both your modem as well as your computer or laptop. So this may also solve the issue. Next step is just by clicking on this troubleshoot option. This also, like in one case, it solved my issue. And next is going to be updating drivers. So to do this, just click on the start icon, right click that, and you'll be having device manager, and you'll be having the network adapters. So basically you're just going to right click and update driver and search automatically. So you need to do this for all the networks drivers that are available over here. So just right click and try clicking on update driver and also restart your system. And the final issue could be with your modem. So there may be some hardware issues, something like that. So these are the solutions and the reasons that I found that causes this issue. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.